Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can turn on the new party mode feature that Discord rolled out. Now, to celebrate Discord's birthday, they released this feature onto the platform, and I believe it's only available for this weekend. So you want to make sure that you get in on this quick. So the process is very straightforward and simple. If you don't see it when you go through these steps, first of all, just close out of Discord and completely close it out, whether you're on PC or Mac. And then you just want to open up Discord so it checks for updates and gets the new update. If you have got the update, it should pop up a notification towards the bottom left hand corner saying that you have party mode. Then all you need to do is go to user settings, and then once you're on the user settings page, you'll see underneath app settings you have this new party mode feature right here. So click on party mode and you can see here enable party mode, so you want to toggle that on. And then enable party mode. You can see it has a nice little graphic there saying that party mode is now activated. You can have all these different things, like you get combos, sounds, and you even get achievements. You can have a screen shake. So it does a lot of things like show confetti when you're typing, which I'll show you how that looks now. So if I just close out of this and then go into my server, and then let me just go into this Clips server right here. And then if I start typing, so I'm going to type now typing, and you can see that they have that confetti when you type, and you can get like a combo. Right now I've got a 50 keystroke combo, and then you can just go ahead and type like that. It's kind of fun and exciting. So I just thought I'd make this video so you can show you how to get the new party mode feature on Discord that is available for a limited time. Now, that's obviously not all you can do with party mode. You just want to explore the different features and see what you can come up with. So I hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.